Hey friends, one of the problems with grapevines is that the branches and leaves spread out on the ground naturally. So in this episode of our garden adventures, we're gonna build supports for the grapevines and tie the branches to them. Subscribe to our channel and stay with us. First off, using the sticks we had from before, we drove our supports into the soil on all four sides of the grapevine. After that, we connected the four corners with four other sticks, making it look like a cube around our grapevine. Now we gently bring up the branches that have fruits attached and tie them to our sticks with rope. Tying the last branch of this vine to our support and heading to the next vine. We prune the branches that don't have fruits attached, so more energy goes to our fruits. And that's the last grapevine. What experiences have you had maintaining grapevines? Tell us in the comments the methods you know. Thanks for watching. See you again.